Headlines: in Manipur, BJP set to win inner seat, outer seat by an NPF. BJP poises to return to become the second political party in Indian history to come back to power. And the dredging of Nambu River begins. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News with me, Mandira, and now the news in detail. BJP is all set to win the Inner Manipur parliamentary seat as the Saffron party is leading by a huge margin of votes, while the party's candidate Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan is leading by a margin of 2,41,980 votes. INC candidate Oinam Nabakishore is trailing behind by 2,18,186 votes. In the outer, Naga People's Front is set to capture the seat reserved for scheduled tribes. NPF candidate Lorho S. Propose is leading with 3,54,256 votes, while BJP candidate Holum Sakhopao Mate is trailing behind by 2,57,275 votes. 11 candidates contested for the Inner Manipur, while 8 in the Outer Manipur. The inner seat consists of 32 assembly constituencies, while the outer has 28 assembly segments. The two phases of voting took place in the state on April 11 and April 18. Looking at the past 5 Lok Sabha elections in the Inner Manipur constituency, the CPIM once again finished as the runners-up for consecutively in the past 3 elections. Among the major candidates contesting for Inner Manipur are Dr. R.K. Ranjan of BJP, Oinam Nabakishore Singh of INC, Morangthem Nara Singh of CPIM, R.K. Anand of NEIDP, Oinam Jogindro Singh of Manipur People's Party, Rajkumar Somorendro Singh, Kaiku, an independent candidate. Key candidates for Outer Manipur include Age Shokhaupao Mate, Benjamin of BJP, K. James of INC, and Angam Karung Kom of NCP. In this year elections, Manipur entered the history book for being the first state in the country to introduce all-women polling booths in an entire assembly constituency. The state showed 78.2% voter turnout, which in the first phase and the aggregate of more than 80% as the second phase concluded. Since the last 2 terms in 2009 and 2014, the Indian National Congress has won both the seats in the state. Heading towards a grand finale, the BJP is poised to return to become the second political party in the Indian history to come back to power, even stronger this time. The National Democratic Alliance (NDA) has won in 6 seats and is leading in another 316 seats, with the UPA coalition leading in only 86 seats. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is seeking re-election from Varanasi, struck gold, garnering over 63% of total votes polled. His rival Ajay Rai of Congress has polled 53,385 votes, about 2 lakh votes lesser than Modi. Congress President Rahul Gandhi, who is trailing in his sitting constituency of Amethi in UP, is heading for a record victory in his second seat of Wayanad in Kerala. Dredging and cleaning of Nambol River under the rejuvenation and conservation of Nambol River project began today. The Rs 97 crore project is undertaken by a combined aligned committee of Pollution Control Board, Loktak Development Authority, Water Resources Department, PhD Industries Department, Mahud Imphal Municipal Council and Nodal Department, Directorate of Environment. The project, funded by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, is targeted to complete within 3 years' time. In the first phase of the project, the river stretch from Iroishemba to Hairangoithung will be dredged. Directorate of Environment Director Y. Nabachandra said Nambol River is categorized in the Group 2. For the first phase, out of the Rs 97 crore, Rs 3 crore has been allocated for solid waste management.
Nambulse khoi priority 2 de yawba yam thuna masigi action plan si khoi treatment gi oiro adagi sigi effluent kenogi oiro the sewage gi oiro mayam jingchi loinama khoi solid waste gi oiro care longdaba yadaba adumba court ki directive mayam su lakba aduga iroina na khoi Ministry of Environment Forest Government of India na sanction to wirakpa posiga ani si iroina na salaga khoi sigi ministry ki project sigi fund makhada khoi thabak si real execution.
Media persons were upset over alleged obstruction given by Thoubal Deputy Commissioner Rosita when they tried to cover the counting of votes for Lok Sabha election at Thoubal Deputy Commissioner's office today. Though vote counting at Thoubal GC office complex began from 8 a.m. this morning, information was denied to the reporters. A separate site for media persons was arranged near the SBI Bank inside the DC complex. But no reporters were allowed to gather any information on the vote counting. The office staff refused dissemination of any information. Manipur has 2 Lok Sabha seats for which elections were held in 2 phases. A Maruti van driver died on the spot when he met with a road accident at Sivol village under Tengnopal police station last night. The deceased driver has been identified as Thangkhaupao Mate, aged 56 years, son of Tangkhikhai from Tengnopal. A 2-day festival of Thangta jointly organized by Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy and Huyen Lalong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association concluded today. Various traditional dance forms, songs and Thangta performances were showcased at the festival. Imphal West Police today searched Hotel Embassy, Hotel GM, Hotel Avenue, Hotel Polo and Hotel Niran Lodge at Pauna Bazaar and Thangal Bazaar in Imphal City. 1 man and 1 woman were picked up and handed over to City Police for further verification. The District Police have been conducting hotel search in the city to prevent unwanted incidents. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.
Admissions open for sports and academy combo courses. Private Sports Academy Guwahati amasung Damayanti English School Monyari Tinyaliga yanakibagi matung inna Manipur amadi North East layriba class 10 pass tauraba 11 tamningba 12 pass tauraba graduation tamningba amadi class 3 dagi 7 fauba makha tamningba mahiroi singi selection test pangthoklagani. Football, athletics, taekwondo, karate, zitkundo gi mahiroi taragani thoi laujagadauri. Lakliba Zungi Tang Ani Ayoki Pung Tare Taba Matamda DK College Playground Mirza Guwahati da Pangthokadaba Final Selection Test Asida Mahiroi Singna Yaubiba Yaragani. Akupa Marol Gidama contact Tobirau 700-523-5638 Natraga 8011-560-148. Admissions open for Modi University, Laxmangarh, Rajasthan. School of Architecture and Town Planning, School of Design, School of Engineering and Technology, School of Sciences, School of Liberal Arts, School of Management Studies, School of Legal Studies. 53% scholarship for novice students. For details, please contact Career Info Solution, New Chekon Road, near Bazaar, India, 841-3976-991. For more details, please visit our website www.modiuniversity.ac.in. Modi University, a leading women's university.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group. Chingmang Poising, Nambol, Bishnupur District, Manipur, 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state, Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source. Features and benefits: free home delivery, A fill jar free subscription on registration. 1 month free subscription on registration. Rupees 500 registration fee. 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters. Rupees 250 subscription fee per month. 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type monthly Rupees 250, half yearly Rupees 1500, quarterly Rupees 750, yearly Rupees 3000. Offer valid till 30th May 2019. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888737 or email us at lamjingbatomtv@gmail.com.
Welcome back. In Tripura too, the BJP is all set to win both the Lok Sabha seats as the Saffron party is leading in seats by a huge margin of votes. While the party's Tripura West candidate Pratima Bhomik is leading by a margin of 1,41,026 votes, Tripura East candidate Rebadi Tripura is ahead by a margin of 1,36,100 votes. The counting of vote for 2 parliamentary seats started here from 8 a.m. at 40 centers across the state in 8 districts under tight security. All total of 13 candidates, including a woman, were in the fray from the Tripura West seat, while 10 candidates, including 2 women, contested from the Tripura East constituency. Repolling was held in 168 of the total 1,679 polling stations on May 12 in the Tripura West seat, as huge electoral malpractices were found during the first phase of voting held on April 11, while polling for the Tripura East seat was held on April 23rd. With around 50% of the vote have gone in their favor, the BJP candidates are leading in both the seats, while Congress is in the second position ahead of the left candidates. NPP President and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma congratulated NPP's candidate and his sister Agatha Sangma for winning the 2019 Lok Sabha election from Tura constituency. The CM said that NPP is proud of her victory. Agatha has won 2,99,774 votes in comparison to her nearest rival Dr. Mukul Sangma's 2,37,547 votes. Tura is one of the 2 Lok Sabha seats from Meghalaya which went to polls on April 11. Tura for a long time has been a Sangma pocket borough, with Purno Sangma winning it multiple times. His son and daughter Conrad and Agatha too have been MPs from Tura. CM Conrad also said that the NPP is looking forward to making sure of the stronger in the region.
We are happy that the NPP has won this seat. We're happy that we have won the by-election seat also in Meghalaya, which was there in Salsala. So I think right now we are looking forward to making sure that the party overall consolidates and becomes strong in the region.
It may be mentioned that Tura consists of 24 assembly segments. There are over 5 lakh voters from Tura, which is one of the major cities of the state. Since NPP is an ally of BJP, if Congress loses the seat, NPP is sure to go to the NDA kitty. The Chief Minister also congratulated Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the splendid performance in this election. He also said that NDA has reposed victories under PM Modi's leadership. The party came out more victorious this time, which is a great moment for the country as a whole.
I would like to congratulate Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi for a splendid performance in this election. It has certified the leadership quality that he has, and the people of India have once again reposed their faith in his leadership. And under his leadership, the NDA has emerged victorious, and we have got more seats than what was expected and what we got last time. So therefore, I think it's a great moment, and I think it's a great moment for the country as a whole, because I'm sure that under his leadership, the next 5 years also, the country will move forward. And overall, I think the performance of the NDA throughout the country shows that people have full faith in the leadership of Mr. Narendra Modi and all the regional parties and other political allies of the NDA. And that is why we have seen such a great number. And we can assure the people that we will continue to work in the same spirit like we did in the past also.
Time for a short break. Keep watching.
Hey, Bima, exam pass to bugi haraugi di later no unga pami du karigino.
Pamoyage school puna taminradi I like tamatoge.
Ay ma amtang ako. Nangbu, koi ibim ga lairik punna tamina batan branya.
AD science stream pame. Aduga ko ichan to mina art stream. Aduga Manipur di science ka arts ka pulap tamina bayaba afaba school amata sulaite. Ako ichan to mina ay pulap samina ningdana tawrine bacho.
Hey, karigino na hey, no yun wari duba. Ha, noy ani punna tamina bayaba school ni na ay natiba sa lurisa. Imphal Airport manakta leba changangay usikod na ne. Advanced School of Arts and Science ay na malingkaledra. Haribi schools na MIL gi subject kudimak loy na tambayare. Aduis matakta tha ahum kudingi pre-medical check-out.
Hey, nangbu adiyam phaba schoolam phangaga nacha ani gi form loruk tri di karigino.
Taso oisu apa mamina ti kay doroge. Say, form.
Lauri en he.
Kindergarten Montessori School affiliated to CBSE New Delhi, Sagol Bantakil Kolom Laikai, Imphal West. Admission in progress. Class 11 Science and Arts 2019-20. Admission criteria 80% and above. Direct admission, free tuition fee, free textbooks and free uniform one time only. 70% to 79%. Direct admission, free textbooks. 60% to 69%. Direct admission and free textbooks. 40% to 59%. Admission through entrance test. For more details, please contact Kindergarten Montessori School, Sagol Bantakil, Kolom Laikai, Imphal West.
Welcome back. The Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal, said its vote for Prime Minister Narendra Modi as BJP-led NDA wins with a thumping victory in the Lok Sabha polls 2019, leading in over 350 seats out of 542 seats at the centre. Pakistan has successfully test-fired a to-surface ballistic missile Shaheen-2, capable of hitting targets as far as 1,500 kilometers away, bringing major Indian cities under its range. The Pakistan Army said in a statement that the launch was aimed at ensuring operational readiness of the Army Strategic Forces Command. Shaheen-2 missile is capable of carrying both conventional and nuclear warheads up to a range of 1,500 kilometers. Shaheen-2 is a highly capable missile which fully meets Pakistan's strategic needs towards maintenance of desired deterrence stability in the region. The US Navy ships conducted joint drills with warships from allies Japan, Australia and South Korea in their first combined exercise in the Western Pacific, the US Navy today. The Pacific Vanguard exercise near the US island of Guam takes place ahead of President Donald Trump's visit to Japan this weekend, as Washington looks to allies in Asia to help counter China's military might in the region. The 6-day exercise involves 2 Japanese destroyers, 2 Australian frigates and a destroyer from South Korea, with as many as 3,000 sailors participating. The US Navy has deployed 5 ships as well as fighter jets and maritime patrol planes for the drills, which include live fire and anti-submarine warfare exercises. Pacific Vanguard is the latest show of combined naval force in the Asia's Pacific region. The US ship this month conducted drills with French, Japanese and Australian ships in the Bay of Bengal and held separate exercises with a Japanese helicopter carrier and warships from India and the Philippines in the disputed South China Sea. Now let's have a look at some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, reacting to claims of NSC and IM that ceasefire extends to Manipur, United Committee Manipur UCM sets 72 hours deadline to Delhi, Imphal to state stand. Centre sounds nationwide alert on counting day. Lok Sabha results today, some key developments. Fate of 19 candidates to be known today. The Northeastern Council NEC inks pact with the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade IIFT. The People's Chronicle. MHA fears post-vote count violence, alerts states, union territories. fate of 19 candidates to be known today. Pollution check on vehicles begins. United Committee Manipur UCM warns stir over IM's claims on ceasefire. Massive military crackdown against militants in Arunachal. Army launches massive operations. Imphal Free Press. Right to Information RTI reveals discrepancies on functionality of electronic voting machines and voter verified paper audit trials claimed by Election Commission of India ECI. High Court directs Registrar to return enquiry report, disposes PIL cases of MU. Administrator Journal Singh to continue as VC until new appointment. United Committee Manipur UCM backfires NSC and IM statement, warns government of another June 18. The Morning Bell. Lok Sabha election result 2019. Counting of votes today from 8 am. Meeting voter verified paper audit trial sleeps likely to delay results. Army launches massive combing operations in Arunachal. The Apunba Manipur Kanbalup Amkil observes 61 years of Armed Forces Special Powers Act, UPSPA imposition in the state. Imphal Art College Annual Art Exhibition. The North-Eastern Council NEC Shillong signs MOU with the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade IIFT New Delhi. Manipur Mail. Stage set for counting of votes. Election Commission says no to demand of opposition. Life not secure in Manipur under UPSPA.
Now, before we wrap up, the top stories once again. In Manipur, BJP set to win in a seat, out a seat by NPF. BJP poises to return to become the second political party in Indian history to come back to power. And dredging of Nambol River begins. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.